manufacturing sector, in service sector, if you go to any fast food chains like McDonald's or Burger King, you can find there are no cashiers or waiters. You have to go to a screen and tell them what you want, and the guy will bring you that. So how is it not replacing us? In cars manufacturing or anywhere, the manufacturing department, there are machines that are working with AI, and there are minimum human effort and human logic there that is being present. So how is it not replacing humans?
That is being presented, okay?
Okay.
Okay, ask question.
Okay. Can every AI machines? I always said machine because AI is machine. In my opinion, AI is machine.
Ask question.
Yeah. So can every AI machine can do everything? Like a human, I can sweep. I can
Physical things.
I can physical things and mental things both. Can AI?
AI can
What I can same? Can AI like the same thing? Like I can teach, I can learn, I can
teach.
switch.
AI is already teaching.
Yeah.
If you go to any online classes or online courses, you will find that a guy, that a voice that is speaking to you, it is actually AI. There is no person that is speaking to you.
Sir.
And you are saying physical things. That is for the future. AI is not supposed to be a physical thing. It is supposed to be a mental thing. It is replacing you mentally. Because if you ask yourself what is 36 multiplied by 24, you cannot answer it. AI doesn't need to even
Just a second.
fraction of your brain. You need to think. You just need to say it once and it will answer you. You can make it. You can give a very big, large number of it. You can know 36 multiplied 27 multiplied by 38 multiplied by 27 minus 28 plus 29.
Okay.
Now you cannot. You don't even remember what I said just like right now. But AI will give me the answer right now. So how are you comparable to it? And that is just a mental thing. In a job, you have to handle like multiple people. Humans can create error, like a cashier not being able to remember what the order was. AI doesn't have that problem, and that place he got replaced. A driver, he forgot that which turn was to take, but AI already has a route that he has planned. And that's where he got replaced. Now you will say that many places there are like physical things AI can do, or specific jobs like a programming coding. Programming coding it can easily do because programming coding is already AI. Now if a programmer brings innovation, it doesn't what already exists is already being done with the AI. So
Other question, next question.
So my question is, first of all, we have to know how AI is working. So first it takes.
You don't need to know. You don't need to
Sir,
know. He can open his phone and Google something and the AI will answer. You don't
Sir,
need to know how. What is the basics
Sir,
of it?
come on the topic. I am talking about the what is something like defining AI. How AI is working. They take input, they processing something, and they give the output. It's like similar to the previous computer. We are giving the commands to process, but now they are automating the processing. They are automatic. They take input. What is CID? Like I search what is CID. They automate the processing and they give CID is Crime Investigation Department. Before we are typing and we are entering, it takes time and then give output. But now it will you will give a command input and it will process processing automating and then give output. So without giving instruction, it can't be done. It can't done anything.
It can't do anything.
It
Yeah.
can't do anything.
So now
Yeah.
first of all, asking AI what is CID is not giving command. It is just a question you
I'm
have.
just giving-
When
yeah.
you are giving command, it is like you are changing it fundamentally in some way, shape or form. Like if you are replacing some factor, like you can add on this, then that is command. Now secondly, you can already replace all of the searching and typing factor by just speaking. If you allow the AI to the app of the AI to have voice recognition, it will just listen to you and work. Now the technology is not so far ahead that there is a brain chip planted in your brain and you just think but in future, if you know Tesla owner, SpaceX owner, Elon Musk, he is already told that he is working on a brain chip that you will think and there will be an answer, there will be a pop-up. Okay,
Sir,
so we are fundamentally replacing the whole working factor here. So And we are already talking about future. If we are talking about like brain chips are there gonna come, and you can just tell a car, yo, I want to go there, and just take me there. The driver is gone. Huh? You want to go to a like fast food chain. You just think and
Sorry,
it
brother.
work. And you can say that there are cooks there, you know, but they will also be replaced because they are already being replaced. You know, in America and majorly China, America is not so far ahead. People think it is. It's not so far ahead. In China, there is already being like automated food services. I am not saying it will be the better than human, but it is being present. And if it's present, it will take over. It will change. You cannot like stop it from happening. So like, how are you saying that it will not happen? It will happen. It is happening, chaos.
Sir, when our former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi introduced a computer in India, our former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee opposed the that thing, that a computer will replace mathematician, computer will replace accountants. But now we are like observe that computer didn't replace it accountant. They just update accountant. We are just writing data on the registers. Now we are using the tally. So it's like updated version. So it can't now. If we talk about before, yeah, same thing. Environment was fully like that. Computer will replace everything. Computer will do this. Computer will do that. But we are saying that this is normal.
Now, for your answer,
We are getting
when
a smart,
Rajiv
like
Gandhi introduced computer,
learning a smart thing.
Okay, computer is a machine.
Yeah.
Let's take it like an AI, like same factors. Like AI is coming and computer is coming. Computer came, and how much it fastered the work. You know, the machine came and it fastened the work because it's a machine. It's a tool. It is meant to be used. AI is very different. It is not a machine. It will run the machine itself. The computer does not need your input anymore. It is going to work in itself. So that's where you got replaced. You know, when you are talking of accountants, they have to manually put in each number and everything.
Yeah.
You know, but AI, you just order something and it's in there. Nobody needs to write anymore. Nobody needs to tuck now